Fundamental analysis, such as information about the state of a particular business or economic sector, can also be used with fibs. This approach is geared more towards long-term investors, but can still be used with shorter-term trading. Like the use of technical indicators, you can choose which type or types of fundamental analysis to incorporate into your analysis. And in the case of trading, you can choose to ignore it altogether if you wish. Fibs essentially outline price levels of interest driven by a fundamental event or influence. Earlier, we saw such a situation with the recovery of crude oil prices in early 2016. Fib levels still identified key levels and ranges where price was likely to flatten and reverse. Within the larger uptrend, back on the FedEx chart, the high 220s range was identified as a good prospective entry point for traders. The major support zone discussed earlier presented an opportunity to profit from an exaggerated negative reaction to the earnings report in June that started the sharp short-term downtrend.